Hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making honeycomb. Maybe you know it from the series Squid Game, but this is a delicious recipe for everyone who likes sweet stuff. So, let's start.
We only need 4 ingredients today: honey, sugar, baking soda and water. Prepare a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Make this the first thing you do. You will thank me later. In a pan over high heat, put the water along with sugar and honey. Leave this to bubble away. Don't stir with a fork or spoon because it makes the sugar crystallize and we don't want that. Keep it on high heat until the mixture becomes nutty brown. Once you reach that state, remove it from the heat and add your baking soda. Make sure to quickly stir it in and immediately dump it in your baking tray. Leave it to cool completely before touching it. When it has cooled, peel off the parchment paper and break everything up into little pieces. And you're done already! Enjoy!
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and hit the bell because it will help my channel very much if you would do so. And I see you in the next one.